God damn. You're hell man.
I don't think I even can. I'm a little bit short.
Yeah, Brad can hook
If I get your elbows, I can pick you up. But I don't know if I can lean.
Everybody.
If I can lean.
Brad, get over here, load. Brad, hook.
You gotta grab
Brad, hook him. Hook him.
You can't crack him like that.
I got one elbow. And I'll bring him off the ground. But I can't reach your other elbow.
He's solid.
Now he does pretty good.
Make him fart.
There.
Lay it on him, Brad.
He grabs my
Yeah,
elbow.
Brad.
You hear that pop?
I heard it
You
pop.
get it.
I just can't long enough to get both of your
Sound
elbows.
like brown beans to me.
Yeah, you couldn't hook him.
I tried your elbows. Now I,
Hook
watch.
it.
I can get one elbow, but watch.
I'm not.
Oh, there it is.
Hook it.
I got it. How'd you do that? I got your elbows. I got it around a little bit, but you're heavy.
I scratched who shot
I
it.
did. I got your elbows.
Fucking Daniel.
Oh,
Daniel, your shot. I scratched.
Charlie like this right here.
Why
you
me?
just straight away.
Brad, get him by the ankle.
Where's my stick at?
I got stuff in my fingers coming off.
Everybody.
Your elbows.
Quit
I
video.
tried. Because it was up too high when you had your arm.
You're on high.
You should have